Hey, how you all doing, guys? It's been a while since our last video. Well, I think, this is gonna be our first video of the year, so welcome. Um, yeah, been busy working and some stuff in life that needs to be dealt with, so apologies if I haven't came out with new videos till now. So yeah, welcome. Today we are in St. George's, Utah, since last night. Actually, we arrived yesterday around 6 p.m. We spend the night here. Our schedule is actually we'll be camping out, do some trails, shoot some videos, take some photos, cool stuff and all. So we're heading out to Moab. Half of the trip will be Moab. We'll be hitting Moonscape, we'll be hitting White Rim Trail, and all the other trails that we have in schedule. And then after that, we're heading out to Colorado, doing some trails as well. Specifically, we'll be hitting the epic trail out there, which is Imogene Pass. So hope you guys enjoy and see you guys around. So me and Jay of Overland Meister met up in Vegas and head our way to St. George, Utah, which where we spend the night before heading out on the next day to Lone Mesa in Utah to meet up with T of RN Tundra. Then from there we explore Shafer Trail the following morning. The Shafer Trail is at the Island in the Sky district of Canyonlands National Park. Shafer Trail is a challenging unpaved backcountry road for the recreational users seeking the experience of a lifetime. The scenery is just so marvelous that it's hard not to keep stopping to take photos of the red rock formations and gorgeous views of the Colorado River that you can see alongside of the road. At one point, you're driving along, taking the sights, and as you come around the side of the mountain, you realize that you're on the edge of a cliff with about 100-foot or more drop-off above the river. The Little Awakener tells you to stay focused at all times. The Shafer Trail Road is a great trail for all skill levels and families. The trail is open even in the winter months, making it a fun year-round trail.
But I never could find. I found they were all like strangers to me. Everybody I met seemed to be a rank stranger. No mother or dad, not a friend could I see, not a friend could I see. They knew not my name, and I knew not their faces. I found they were all rank strangers to me, rank strangers to me. They've all moved away, said the voice of a stranger, to a beautiful home by the bright crystal sea. Some beautiful day I'll meet 'em in heaven, where no one will be a stranger to me. Everybody I met seemed to be a rank stranger. No mother or dad, not a friend could I see, not a friend could I see. They knew not my name, and I knew not their faces.
Chicken Corner Trails is located in southeastern portion of Utah. It's 14.8 mile long and totally unpaved road. It's running from Cane Creek Canyon Road to Fielder Natural Arch. This 4x4 route travels to Colorado River Canyon just below Moab. This is a drive over Hurrah Pass to great scenery above Colorado River. We were not able to finish the trail as it was getting dark and we still need to travel down to Mineral Point where we camped that night.
It's a holy place, my dad
is it called Chicken Corner? It gets its name from a very narrow passage that overlooks the Colorado River, where the least chicken was willing to pass. Hey, good morning guys. Thanks for sticking in. If you've reached this point of the video, it means you're enjoying it. But just to give you an update, we're actually on our third day, third day in Utah, on our Utah-Colorado trip. This is where we spend our night. It's a BLM camp. We're actually next to a river and surrounding by canyons right there. So yeah, so yesterday, well, we did yesterday, so we hit the trail. We did Shafer trail. That was a nice one. That was a cool one. Actually, by the way, it's our first time out here in Utah, so we are really enjoying it. So we did Shafer trail, and then half of the day we did the chicken run. Chicken run was a bit gnarly for me. That, at least I know you guys, some of you guys are OGs on the trail, so I guess those are like easy peasy for you guys. So yeah, we did enjoy. We saw a lot of canyons, cliffs, drop-offs. I have pushed my truck, I guess, to the most how do you say this, the capabilities of my truck yesterday. So yeah. And by the way, I didn't mention you. People that I'm with on this trip is there's Jay Overland Meister, and that's T right there. That's his Tundra. It's another Tundra of RN Tundra. Yeah. So this is our base camp for this last night till the morning. And today we are gonna be doing the white rim. So we're gonna be doing the white rim. So today is gonna be our last day actually in Utah, and then we're gonna be heading out to Colorado, doing Imogen Pass, and we'll be doing camping there as well. And then we'll be checking out Telluride, Ouray, the towns, sightseeing as well. So yeah, stick around and enjoy the video.